It's 1:15 a.m. It's 1:15 in the morning, and this is what I'm eating: salmon and mixed vegetables. So the benefits of eating salmon and mixed vegetables, there are many. Like for your heart health, muscle maintenance, it's rich in nutrient, of course, weight management, because salmon can keep you feeling full and very satisfied, so it will reduce your likelihood of overeating. A lot of Americans overeat every day. It's also great for your digestive health because the fiber in the vegetable that helps and aids digestion and also supports a healthy gut microbiome. And you know about the gut health, super important. All the diseases, the illnesses, they start from the gut. Yes. I thought it was 15 second long, short. Okay, what else can I add since it's 3 minutes long and not 15 seconds long? Hold on 1 second, please. Well, first of all, my day has been absolutely amazing, very relaxing. I've been home, resting, napping, fasting, taking care of myself, you know, about self-care, self-love that I'm always promoting on my channel. Most likely, I'm going to continue promoting it because it's super important and because I love this new chapter of my life as a 52-year-old woman, young woman. Absolutely love it. Well, I have a recipe. Let's do a recipe here. Salmon and stir-fry veggies, okay? And pea puree. So it comes from the Parker Jewish Institute. So they encourage all their members to eat a well-balanced nutritional diet. So they have a recipe. It's salmon with stir-fried vegetables and pea puree. I love pea. You see it here, pea? They give me gas, make me bloated, but it tastes so delicious. And I made this super fast. I know I'm not supposed to use a microwave for my healthy new diet, but I was too lazy to do it on the stove. I was doing the dishes while this was on the microwave. And it looks absolutely amazing and it tastes absolutely delicious. All right, so the recipe for this salmon with stir-fry vegetables and pea puree. All right, so your ingredients: salmon fillet with skin off, kosher salt, white pepper, olive oil, butter, garlic, and assorted finely chopped herbs. So how are you going to do that? How are you going to prepare it? You're going to wash and clean the fillet and pat it dry with a paper towel, and on a clean cutting board portion the fish to 5 ounces fillets. Remove the skin, save the extra fish for some other use. Season both sides of the fish with salt and pepper. Heat a clean skillet over medium-high heat, and when it's heated, add the oil and then raise the heat and serve 2 pieces of the fish side by side at a time. Skin side first for 3 minutes. Add the butter, the garlic, the herbs, spring while the fish sears in the pan, and spoon the oils over the fillet. Turn the fish belly side and serve in the next side for 3 minutes and spoon the oil over the fish. Remove the cooked fish into a clean pan and sprinkle some chopped herbs. Place the fish in a warmer while completing the recipe. You repeat the same for the next 2 other pieces of fish. And when it comes to how you do the pea puree: olive oil, 3 tablespoons of chopped shallots, chopped garlic, frozen green peas, butter, salt, kosher salt is better, preferable, white pepper, and some heavy cream. So for that pea puree, place a clean saucepan over medium-high heat. When the pan is heated, add the oil, add the chopped shallots, the garlic, the saute, and then add the green peas, the butter, the seasoning, and cook until it looks very well combined with all the ingredients. Add a cup of cream and bring it to a boil. Check the seasoning and adjust as much as you like it. Remove the pan from the heat and with a blender blend the peas to form a smooth sauce.